Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Plug your iPad into power if battery is below 50% and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Once connected, make a quick iCloud or iTunes backup so you can restore if needed. Then open Settings and tap General Software Update. The device will check for available versions. Start the download now. This prepares the files while keeping your apps and settings intact, and you'll minimize interruption during the actual installation. You'll see the available update and you should tap Download and Install. If prompted, enter your passcode. The update downloads in the background. Keep the iPad connected to power and Wi-Fi so it doesn't pause. Once the download completes, you'll get an Install Now button. Choose it for immediate update or pick Install Tonight to apply later. During installation, the screen will show progress and the device will restart. Be patient. This completes the system file replacement safely. When the iPad restarts, check that setting shows the new version and test a few apps to confirm everything functions. If the update fails, free at least 4 GB of storage and retry the download. Alternatively, connect to a computer and use Finder or iTunes to update or enter recovery mode. Once updated, restore from your backup only if you notice missing data. And remember, if problems persist, contact Apple support for guided recovery. Do not force multiple.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.